guys, nobody here, and today we're going to be playing Subway Surfers on the Halloween update. This is going to be a continuing series, so I hope you enjoy it. And let me know if you prefer an intro, like in this video, or an outro, like in all my other videos. Without further ado, let's just play. This is a new skin I got in the bundle. Definitely one of my favorites. Skull? Yes, I really want to get out the skull so I can get slime bob. Also guys, comment down below if I should start making shorts, because I'm thinking about it. Because my friends do make shorts, so don't know, they make shorts and videos. You should go check them out. Hallow123 and Bozo6969. They are my friends' channels. You should go subscribe to them. Okay, so let's try out this new character. I don't know her name, I'm really terrible at names and Subway Surfers of characters. I know like Jake is the starter character. I think the golden one's called Boombox. Golden robot guy, but that's the only like names I remember. I don't know. Tell me in the comments down below if you're really bad at remembering characters in video games names too. This character's pretty okay. Not the best character, but not by far, but it's a decent character. Wait, what? You can stop the pogo stick? I never knew that. I'm never going to do it again, that was by accident. Unless maybe if you see a skull ahead, you can stop it and drop down and get a skull. It's actually useful. Just notate, never do that. And if it works for a jetpack. Okay. Oh. Yes, I got a skull. I really want slime bob. It's like my favorite skin. Especially like the green slime version. Sadly, I don't think I will be able to get that. Okay, you want to try hard? I missed it. Leave a comment also down below what I should do next, because I'm really stumped. Because I know I want to do part 3 definitely of Subway Surfer videos. But I can't just make Subway Surfer videos. I don't know what game should I play next. Should I play some more Roblox? Kaiju Universe? I haven't played that in a while actually. That was a good run too. Beat my high score? No way. Okay guys, that'll be the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to smash that like button and the subscribe button. And I'll see you in the next one.